Welcome back to Midday in Kansas. We've been cooking all morning, and now at midday we are going to make breakfast tacos, right?
We are.
And you guys are going to be at the State Fair next Tuesday.
Actually, tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yes.
Oh,
tomorrow.
it will be tomorrow,
It will
yes.
be, yes. September the 12th.
Yep.
And we'll at 11:30 in the Domestic Arts Building. So I hope that you'll join me. If you're on the fairgrounds, we have recipes. We'll be cooking, doing some of our favorite recipes, and have a free gift for everyone.
That's
so
perfect.
Come
well, let's
see
get
us.
started
All
with the
right.
breakfast tacos.
Yes, I love this recipe because everybody loves tacos. So
Yes.
why not do it for breakfast?
I know.
So I've scrambled eggs
Okay.
here, and I started out with 2 strips of bacon that I
Okay.
chopped up, so you've got bacon in every bite.
Yep.
And then you can fill that taco, and then for fillings we have tomatoes,
gosh.
we have green onions, we have cheese, avocado, and now put that in here. Thank
put
you
that
for
in
doing
there.
that. Yeah, go ahead. You can put the whole thing. This
Okay.
is our topping. Thank you. This is soy sour cream and 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning. So then I am going to put that, so that's made together, and then you can
Okay.
put that on top of your taco,
Oh, perfect.
just for a last little bit of flavor.
Oh, we're getting some color in here.
Yes, and what I was going to say is these ingredients here, you could do the night before.
Oh,
Have
yeah.
those ready, scramble the eggs, and the kids can put their taco together but while they're eating. Easy breakfast to do, and so, look, boy, yours is picture perfect.
I know. I'm going to have
That's
to
great.
smash it down a little so I can get the
Yeah, now
the
put a
topping
little
on.
bit of the topping on
Okay.
it. Perfect. And all the recipes we did this morning, the banana
Yep.
muffin, oatmeal muffins, this wonderful cherry walnut coffee cake, and our breakfast tacos, you can get the recipes at kansassoybeans.org. Yours match ours, don't they?
I know.
Or they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean.
Okay, that's perfect. All right, right now we're going to go over and take a final look at the forecast.